Hello my class 2 students, today we are going to start with your chapter number 1, the sentence from your book Oakwood English Grammar. So let's begin. You already know that a group of letters which convey some meaning is called a word, and a group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence. Remember, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. For example, Vinod has a good memory. So now V is going to be capital. Let's take another example. The earth revolves around the sun. So at the very beginning, the T was capital. Now let's move forward. A sentence that makes a statement always ends with a full stop. For example, there are 20 girls in this class. Third point that we need to remember, a sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? Again, question mark. Second example, what is your name? When you are going to write what is your name, at the end you are going to add a question mark. Now let's move to the third example. How old are you? Now, this sentence is also asking a question, so at the very end we are going to add a question mark. Now let's move forward. As we have learned so many things, now let's try to rearrange the words to make sentences. Use capital letters and full stop wherever necessary. So our first sentence is grapes sweet are. Students, can you tell me how you are going to rearrange this sentence? It is going to be grapes are sweet. Now let's move to our second sentence. It is written animal, fox, cunning is a. How we are going to make it as a sentence which is going to make a complete sense? Let's see. Fox is a cunning animal. Correct? Now let's move to our third sentence. We are going to rearrange it and also add a full stop and use capital letter at the beginning. Now let's see the third sentence. Girls, the dancing are room in. Now let's rearrange it. Girls are dancing in the room. Now let's move to our fourth sentence. Sat on Humpty a wall Dumpty. We all know the sentence, right? It is going to be Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Now let's move to our fifth sentence, which we have to rearrange. It is shines sun the sky in. Can you guess what is going to be the sentence? Correct, my students. That will be sun shines in the sky. That's all for the day, students. Bye-bye.